Let's all say hello to Rolls-Royce, Black Badge Ghost Ekleipsis. A limited edition inspired by a solar eclipse, Rolls-Royce presented an exclusive edition of the Black Badge Ghost called Ekleipsis, featuring unique exterior and interior specifications inspired by the celestial phenomenon of the solar eclipse. The model is limited to 25 units, all of which have already been spoken for. The main shade for the exterior is a dark lyrical copper, featuring a special powdered copper pigment, treatment that produces an iridescence effect under the light. The mandarin accents on the bumper, intakes, hand-painted coach line, center caps, and brake calipers resemble the color of the sun as it hides behind the moon in the stages leading to a total eclipse. The interior is a tad more dramatic than the exterior for a Rolls-Royce, with the high-contrast colors loosely reminding us of Mansory's earlier builds.
According to our
The panoramic sunset theme combines mandarin and black for the perforated leather upholstery of the bi-colored seats.
Stars on the fascia.
The dashboard fascia depicts the stages of a total solar eclipse with 1,146 laser-etched stars taking over 100 hours to complete. Furthermore, the analog timepiece is decorated with a shiny 0.5 carat diamond integrated within the bespoke bezel. Rolls-Royce designers added illuminated side sills and mandarin piping on the door-mounted umbrellas. Still, the ultimate highlight of the interior is the animated version of the Starlight headliner, with a black area in the middle surrounded by 940 stars and 192 more stars scattered further away. The special edition is based on the performance-focused Black Badge Ghost, which comes fitted with a more potent version of the twin-turbo 6.75-liter V12 engine, producing 592 HP, 441 kW, 600 PS. Power is transmitted to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic, with the Ghost-specific planar suspension taking care of the signature Magic Carpet ride. The debut of the special Ghost on October 12th is very close to a solar eclipse that will be visible in parts of the Western Hemisphere on October 14th. The company didn't disclose the price of the Black Badge Ghost Ekleipsis private collection, but revealed that the 25 examples have already been allocated to clients around the world. Even though the car has just been revealed, all the 25 examples have already been allocated to customers all around the world. Rolls-Royce does not mention the price, but in the United States, the luxury sedan starts at $351,000.
And a car cover with the private collection's wordmark.